Yesterday I told you and made a video that we see a dump, and let's go into the charts and watching what happened yesterday. So was I was wrong when I said yesterday we are dumping, guys? I made the video when we were approximately right here, right? And when I upload the video, while uploading, the price dumped a little bit more, but then we have here a bounce on the 4-hourly ribbon to the upside. You see, perfectly bound from the EMA ribbon to the upside. Mean I was right now wrong? No, it don't mean it. Because look at the 1 hourly. If we are watching on the 1 hourly, we have formed something called a head and shoulders, right? You see here we have two patterns formed. We have shoulder, head, and shoulder, right? So be very careful right now here, guys. I personally don't recommend right now to trade, in my opinion. I tell you why. So we see at first the head and shoulders, right? The head and shoulders, the price target of the head and shoulders is still, it's even under my price target of 42,000. This is the next stop, between 42,000 I said to you and 41,000. Why? Because we see here, if we are watching on the 4-hourly, we see it even better. We see here, you see resistance, which is turning into support, and we see here a support, which is also a support level for us, right? So between 41 and 42,000, it's not only here in the immediate past, it's also we see this in the start of January, right? We see here at 41,000 level, we see huge support, and here we see at 42,000, we see resistance, support, resistance, right? So this would turn into a support for us. So 42, 41. Technically, at the head and shoulders, the price target is 40,400. But if you are in a short position, I would take profits at 42,000, 41,000, right? I would took profits, right? So right now, also what we see within this head and shoulders, we see another pattern which is called double bottom, right? You see here. We formed a double bottom, and right now the price target of this double bottom is, just a moment, and I tell you, wait a minute until you start shitting into the comments. So I make a conservative one. If we break this level, we see 45,900, right? But we have to break this level of 45,500, right? 45,500 is a huge resistance area, which is not only here resistance area, it's a huge resistance area also here, you see, right? You see here, it was support and resistance, 45,500. And if we are going, just a moment, it's not loading. Yes, you see here, 45,500 was also here a huge resistance, right? It was here support, and here also support, right? So therefore we have to break this 45,500 level that we can go further up, right? So then I would, if you're here in a long position, right, I would take my profit. If you're right now in a long position, 45,500, right, I would take here some profits, right? So but beside of this, because I don't know, are you in a long or in a short? I'm personally in a short position, guys, but don't just repeat what I'm doing, right? And for everyone who's not right now in a trade, I would personally not recommend you to trade right now. Why? Because it's very volatile, and in my opinion, if we break this level of 43,000, right, we see, like I said yesterday, and we see also this head and shoulders, right? We see Bitcoin going at least to 42, 41,000, right? If we breaking this W, and this W has to be broken here, right? If this break, then we see Bitcoin going to 45,500 at least, right? So we have two levels which we are now watching. We have one, this support level. If we break it, we see Bitcoin down to 42, 41,000. If we break this resistance level at this double bottom, you see here at approximately 44,390, we are seeing Bitcoin going to 45,500, right? But all in all, I'm still more bearish, but I cannot predict the future, guys. I can only watch the technicals. All in all, I'm still bearish, but it can be that we are also going up. I told you this two big resistance support which we have to watch, which will break in the immediate short term, right? To see where's Bitcoin going, because on the 1 hourly we are right now on the RSI neutral, right? On the 4 hourly I think we are slightly over. Yeah, we are overbought. We are still overbought. Therefore, I told you also at this 45,500, I told you this will be a huge resistance, right? And it was exactly like that. And I told you we see a dump. Why I told you we see a dump? Because it's very obvious. You don't have to be a magician. I tell you this every time, because at 45,500 we are heavily overbought on the daily, right? And not on the 4 hourly, and also we were overbought on the daily, right? So therefore it was for me nothing magician. It's also not Nostradamus, because some people are mistaking me with Nostradamus right now, right? Because they think I has to be always right. I cannot be always right, guys. This is the market. I can only use technical analysis and make my decisions by technical analysis and news, right? And if I say Bitcoin is dumping, it don't mean that we can see a slightly pump and after a dump, right? So you have to be more how it called, maybe more intelligent, guys. The most of you, it's only one or two comments, guys, but the most of you understand me. It's only to this some people who are like to shit in some hotels, and not going to the toilet, right? So guys, also I want to show you, watch please, and the S&P 500 today. We have to watch it, because when we open the stock market open at 9:30 today US time, we could see, we have to watch if we break today this line, this resistance line, right? You see, it's since start of January resistance. If we break it, we see the stock market pumping, right? And this would mean Bitcoin would fly also, right? So, but if we are getting rejected right now here, and see, if we get rejected, the S&P 500, we will see going down. Also, crypto, the Bitcoin would crashing. So guys, I personally would wait, in my opinion, right now, if you're not in a trade. I'm right now in a trade, in a short trade, but don't I'm in the short trade since weeks, so please don't do it. Don't blindly copy it. Just make your own decisions. And what I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is very important to say. I personally would wait until either we break this 44,000 level or we break this support of 43,000. Because if we break this, we will see Bitcoin down. There's a short opportunity. If we see Bitcoin breaking this W at 44,000 approximately, 44,400, then we can make a long position. This is in my opinion, right? So yes, in the bigger picture, I think in the bigger picture, if you're more a swing trader, a short position would make sense if we break under the daily EMA ribbon, because that would mean if we break under approximately 40,500 and close the daily, it would mean we will see huge dump and we would create a new lower low, in my opinion. If we are so it's 40,400. If we are watching for a long opportunity, I think, in my opinion, guys, it's a swing trader. Yes, what I talked before was for day trade. This for swing trader. For a long position, this is when I make a long position, right? Swing long position. It is when we close a weekly at either this or next weekly above the weekly EMA ribbon, 41, 48, 47,000, 40. It goes a little bit up. So right now it's above 47,700 a little bit, right? Something like that. If we see close weekly, close above, clearly above the weekly, this for me is sign for setting a swing low position. But in the immediate short term, there's opportunity. I would personally right now not jump into a trade because it's too volatile. But if you're a professional trader, I would either make at 43,000 if we break this level, right, or a short position. or above 44,400 long position. This is the opportunities in my opinion, guys. Please make your own risk management and make your own decisions and do your own research. It's very important. Also, if you want to trade, guys, if you're a professional trader, claim your bonus at $8,200 after initial deposit on Bybit and Femix. It's 1 minute registration. It's affiliate link, obviously, and it's a win-win for us, right? So if you're a professional trader, I profit from you guys, and you profit from this 8,200 bonus, right? If you're not a professional trader, you can claim your 8,200 bonus and use this for spot buying. Never do leverage trading if you're not experienced. After initial deposit, you claim your bonus 8,200, 1 minute registration. So, guys, let's watch what will happen. I will do another video. A thumbs up if you want 3 videos a day, guys. I make later in we have right now 11 o'clock in Dubai time, or 10 o'clock. So if you want more videos like that, 3 videos a day, hit the like button. Thank you for all support and love in the comments, guys. This is crazy. Yes, I kiss you, and I'm really excited what will happen today. I think it's today we will see huge volatile in the market, especially when the US market open, and when we see this resistance line, it's get broken or we get rejected. Yes, the most boring thing would be if we're just consolidating, but I think we could get either rejected or break the support, and then we will see something big. I think, in my opinion, guys. Do your own research. I kiss you. I see you later. Mwah.